Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning dua according to hadith also, that when we are moving up, we must say Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest of all. And when we are moving down, then we must say Subhanallah. Purity be to Allah. So actually, when we are moving upstairs, on every stair we must say Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest of all. So when we say Allahu Akbar moving upstairs, so we will reach at our destination on the top safe and sound, and there will be no problem at all for us. Similarly, when we are moving downstairs, so just when we are moving from one stair to other down, we must say Subhanallah, purity to Allah. So Alhamdulillah, then there will be no problem at all. We will reach at our destination down safe and sound. Because coming down is the place for shaitan. This way shaitan tries to make a person dissolve. So when we are requesting Allah that purity is be to you, so you must make us pure and from the filthy person who is shaitan. So then Alhamdulillah, person becomes pure and nice and comfortable and healthy. So that is possible when we are just to request Allah with Subhanallah when we are moving down. So there is the greatest lesson hidden in it also. Like for example, if a person is working at a position in a job and the person is going up, like designation changing, like moving up, status is coming up and up. So this promotion is making him proud also. This way, when the person moves up and say Allahu Akbar, so Allah is the greatest of all, then the proudness will finish from the person, and person becomes humble and nice. Then his status going up is maintained, or it moves more up possible. But if the person is not reading that, then the proudness possible in the person, and this proudness and takabbur that will make a person to come down, and his all efforts will go in vain, and he will not get the profit, will not get the position. So that is required for him to move up. So that is the position where he must be. For that purpose, he must request Allah with his greatness, Allahu Akbar. So Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest of all. When a person is just to say this, his heart becomes free from proudness and takabbur and all the other things which are relative to that. So the person becomes more humble and nice. So that is the blessings. Similarly, when we are moving down mean like if a person who is working at a job and his job is finished, or he has not been promoted, but what will happen now? So his position is down now. So then he will be dissolved, and he will feel sadness and problem that will make him more sad, and shaitan will try to make him more sad also. So that position is finished when the person says Subhanallah, purity towards Allah. So the person becomes pure from all types of doubts and worries and sadness that comes in mind or from the intervention of shaitan. So those are finished. So that way is when we are moving up, we should say Allahu Akbar. When we are moving down, we should say Subhanallah. Similarly, if we are having like business. If our business is moving up, we must say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, like that. If our business is going down, then we must say Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah. So inshallah, our business will stay down and then it will improve. So that is the blessings of Allah. So if we follow this dua today, when we are moving up, we must say Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest of all. If we are moving down, then we must say Subhanallah. So purity be to Allah. So Alhamdulillah, then we will get more and more reward also, and with that the benefits of this world and the world hereafter. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.